Willibrord's most visible, tangible heritage is his former abbey, composed by
the Basilika von Echternach, that bears the tomb of its founder, the Anglo-Saxon Benedictine monk Saint Willibrord. It is now a parish church, testifying to the life and heritage of Willibrord through numerous artifacts. Its crypt contains the Willibrord fountain and the Willibrord sarcophagus. The in-house documentation center is about the annual hopping procession, listed on the UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. It is a European happening, performed by pilgrims from all over Europe.
The former monastic housing with the Abbey Museum, dedicated to the history of the site, the person and journeys of Willibrord. The Echternach scriptorium has a European context and illustrates the exchange between insular and continental artists and patrons, creating a common European heritage.
The life and journeys of Willibrord played a groundbreaking role in the early medieval unification of Europe through faith and culture.
Saint Willibrord, Apostle of Europe,